Even though we've lived with COVID-19 for 2 years, there's still a great deal we don't conclusively know about the novel coronavirus or the human body's immune response to it. Take, for instance, the enduring mystery about why some people test negative even when they have been exposed to someone in the household with the infection. A new study led by researchers at Imperial College London may perhaps have an answer to that one. It turns out that previous exposure to a common cold could be one of the reasons. The study, published in Nature Communications this week, found that high levels of pre-existing T cells created by the body when infected with other human coronaviruses like the common cold can protect against COVID-19 infection. This discovery, the researchers suggest, could point the way to second-generation COVID vaccines. Beginning September 2020, when the pandemic was still in its early stages, the study monitored 52 people who had lived with someone with PCR-confirmed SARS-CoV-2 infection and therefore had been exposed to the virus. Half of them subsequently tested positive, but the remaining 26 individuals who didn't catch the infection, the researchers found, had significantly higher levels of cross-reactive T cells. T cells are a component of the body's immune response mechanism. They look for infected cells and destroy them, thereby preventing severe disease and complications. This is called cell-mediated immunity. The other component, as is well known by now, is the antibody-mediated response, where the body produces specific proteins to recognize the virus and prevent it from attaching to cells. Both these responses are key to fighting an infection, and vaccines work by inducing antibodies as well as activating T cells. The Imperial College study was designed to capture immune responses at the earliest time points after exposure to SARS-CoV-2. Blood samples from the 52 participants were taken within 1 to 6 days of them being exposed to the virus, thereby enabling researchers to analyze the levels of pre-existing T cells induced by previous common cold infections. While it was known that T cells induced by other coronaviruses can recognize SARS-CoV-2, this is the first evidence of a protective role for cross-reactive T cells in COVID-19, the study said. According to researchers, the T cells provide protection by attacking proteins within the virus, rather than the spike protein on its surface. The spike protein, which undergoes mutations over time, is usually the target of most COVID vaccines at present. Hence, the researchers say that these internal proteins possibly offer a new vaccine target that could provide long-lasting protection. In other words, new second generation of vaccines would be able to deal with mutations more effectively. A federal report.